I want to show this tweet real quick, show you guys what happened here. So give you guys some background on this. Let's actually go. Well, I'll show you this one first. This is the tweet that dumped the market. It was at about 46,800 when this came in. It had gone below 47,000. And this guy, Mr. Whale or Crypto Whale, he's a large account, 136,000 followers on Twitter. He said Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. With the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting, I wouldn't blame him. And he said, indeed. Indeed. Now, what is that indeed to? Is it that he's getting a lot of hate? Is it that they actually dumped their Bitcoin holdings? And then this tweet right here. Oh, this is from an account I blocked, so I don't know who that is. But it says Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter. It looks like he was just sharing that screenshot. So I don't know exactly what this means, but this all stems back to a Peter McCormick thread. Basically, I know Peter. He's one of the few maxis that I do like him as a person. I've met him, had nothing but good interactions with Peter, but he did a long Twitter thread here. Now, this thread is like, God, it was a novel. How many did he write? Look at that. Who has that much time to write 24 tweets in a thread? Absolutely. What about this? He said, from one dick to another, I hope you stop being a dick. Peter. So anyways, guys, so he made this big, long thread criticizing Elon Musk about Dogecoin and his support of Doge as opposed to Bitcoin. And then that is what fired off the tweet that was from Mr. Whale that kind of started this whole thing. So I don't really know what's happening here, but do you guys think, and anybody can answer this, just open up to anybody who's got an opinion on this, do you think that Tesla is actually selling their Bitcoin?
No. Because they know that someone is down there waiting for it. You know, he's probably got people calling him up going, Elon, want to sell? Yeah. Let's just send it on over.
Yeah.
Seriously. He's not selling it.
Why did any institution buy Bitcoin in the first place? Inflation.
Yeah.
What's inflation about to do? What's it doing right now? It's a hedge against inflation. Why would he sell a hedge against inflation when we're about to see inflation?
Yeah, absolutely. Good point.
I would say partially yes, because they've sold some Bitcoin in the past.
They have.
They basically flipped the entire philosophy very quickly. And now with Elon Musk talking about the ecosystem being too power hungry in terms of taking up too much power, I think if they're trying to go eco-friendly, whether they're going to Dogecoin or some other new coins out there, whether Cardano, Chia Network, possibly, I think they're trying to find other options to hedge versus inflation that are more eco-friendly, because I think that's their brand, energy.
Well, and I had told people in the past, be careful of this narrative that these corporations will not sell Bitcoin, because they will. And we've already seen Tesla, they have sold 10% of their Bitcoin, which was $272 million. If you did the math on that, that means 100% of that Bitcoin would have been worth $2.72 billion at the time, and they had bought $1.5 billion. So they still made $1 billion. That they still had made $1 billion that they had not sold, but they did sell 10%. So we just don't know what these corporations will do with Bitcoin, with the crazy amounts of profits, that they're looking at. I really wonder if Elon Musk has, there's got to be some kind of thing at play here that we don't know what it is. Something is going on right now, whether it is he's just decided to make all-out war against Bitcoin maxis, or whether he's decided to make all-out war against anyone that criticizes him, or the SEC, or the traditional markets. We just don't know at this point.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.